everyone, it's Carissa, and thank you so much for joining me for this draw along class for the Grizaye drawing kit citrus centerpiece. It's great for artists of all skill levels. I think it's beginner friendly and it's great for you to get familiar with how the Grizaye kits work. So really beautiful colors on this one. I like the envelope a lot too. It's just a fun burst of color. So inside, I'll show you real quick, we have the Grizaye Velvet Touch set of pencils, and normally there are only 12 pencils, but in this kit you get a couple extra, and they're beautiful colors, all matched for the drawing. So you have all colored matched color pencils, which is awesome. And then you get the color map with color suggestions, so you know exactly where to put those colors, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And then we have step-by-step instructions, so you can always refer back to the instructions if you need some extra help. And here is the Grizaye that you're going to draw on top of, and the reference photo with close-ups. So this one is really great. I think it's perfect to have in your home. So here is my finished piece. I think it turned out really wonderful, and if you're not used to doing still lifes, this is a great one to teach you kind of the basics. I don't normally do still lifes, but I found this to be really fun, especially doing these limes and the oranges, and I really actually like the tablecloth part, so I think you'll have a lot of fun. There's different variations of textures, colors, and patterns, and you can utilize a couple different techniques for this one. So I can't wait to show you, so let's go ahead and get into it. I will be using the colors included with this kit, as well as a blender pencil, odorless mineral spirits, and a stylus, and I will show you how I use all of these in this class. Alright, let's get into drawing. So the colors that I'm using for the lime are yellow, lime, green, olive, and azure. And for this piece, I'm going right to left for no particular reason or order. You can start wherever you like, but I decided to just start with these citrus fruits right on the edge here. So I'm doing a base with yellow and then adding some lime towards the bottom. And I'm just doing light layers, and we'll build up as I go and incorporate a couple other colors just following the reference photo. And I'm using a little bit of olive, and I'm focusing the shading towards the edge of the paper. And I'm doing another layer of lime and building up the color as I go. There's a little bit of a blue tint at the top, so I'm just using a little bit of that beautiful blue azure shade and just doing very light touches.